I need to ask you a question that might sound crazy. What if I told you there's a credit card that gives you 2% cash back on every single purchase? Grocery, gas, online shopping, everything, and it's no annual fee. And I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, and what's the catch?
That's exactly what I thought, Marvin. But here's the secret that most people don't know. This isn't just any credit card. It's through Fidelity, and the cash back goes directly into your investment accounts. But wait, there's more.
More? What you mean, Glove? You know, guys, we're going to tell you about accessing their complete financial ecosystem. Trading accounts, crypto trading, 529 plans, retirement accounts. Here's the game changer. You can actually borrow against your stocks without ever selling them. Glow, this could revolutionize how business owners build wealth. Are you ready to dive deep into this, babe?
Absolutely. This sounds like exactly the kind of strategies financially, these moves that our audience needs to know about, Marvin. Before we get started, drop a comment what banks you are with.
Right.
Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to this channel so that you don't miss any new videos.
Okay, Glow, let's get started with the credit card. You know everybody wants some cash back, but most cards have categories or limits. What's so special about Fidelity's credit card?
Great question, Marvin. The Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Card is absolutely incredible. You get unlimited 2% cash back on every single purchase.
Right.
No category caps, no restrictions. But the genius part about all of this, instead of getting a statement credit, the cash automatically goes back direct deposit into your eligible Fidelity account. I'm loving this already, money magnets. And here's what makes it powerful for business owners. There's no annual fees, and y'all know how I feel about annual fees.
Right.
There's no foreign transaction fees, and you can redeem rewards points as soon as you earn them. But here's the secret most people will miss out on. You need to have an eligible Fidelity account for the rewards to deposit automatically into your account.
Sorry, Glow, what accounts actually qualify?
Individual brokerage accounts, Fidelity Gold accounts, traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and the 529 college savings plans all qualify. This creates a powerful wealth building cycle where your everyday spending actually builds your investment portfolio.
I love this. Gloria, that's brilliant. I have to ask, how do you even get approved for this card, and what's the process?
Okay, the approval process is straightforward. You apply online through Fidelity, and if you approve, you can start earning rewards immediately. Nice. The card reports to all 3 credit bureaus, so it actually helps you build your credit portfolio. For business owners, this can be a part of your business credit building strategy.
Look, that sounds great. Okay, so I get this card and the cash goes back into my accounts. But Glow, let's talk about the actual trading side. What's the process of opening a Fidelity trading account?
Excellent question, Marvin. Open a Fidelity trading account is incredibly simple. You can do it entirely online in about 10 minutes.
Okay.
You provide some basic information, fund the account. Like we always say, just put a little bit of money in your account and you're ready to trade. But here's what sets Fidelity apart. 0 commission on stocks and ETFs.
Hold up now, Glow. 0 commissions? That means I can buy and sell without paying any fees?
Exactly, Marvin. Whether you're buying individual stocks, ETFs, or even options, there's no commission, money magnets. This is huge for active traders and business owners who want to invest their profit strategically. Plus, they offer advanced training platforms if you want to get more sophisticated.
So what about options trading? I know our audience is interested in advanced strategies. Can we break that down?
Oh, we sure can. Fidelity offers competitive option trading with 0 commission on option contracts too. That right there is a cash flow changer. You can trade everything from simple covered calls to complex spreads. They provide excellent education resources and even paper trading so you can practice before risking your real money.
Look, guys, this sounds powerful for business owners who want to generate additional income from their investments. But Glow, how much money do you need to get started?
Okay, that's the beauty of it all, Marvin. There's no minimum to open most Fidelity accounts. You can start with as little as $1. This makes it accessible for any business owner, whether you're just starting out or you're established business.
So Glo, let's talk about something that's been huge lately, cryptocurrency.
Yes.
Does Fidelity offer crypto trade?
Absolutely, Marvin. Fidelity offers crypto trading for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can trade crypto 7 days a week, which is incredible because traditional markets are closed on weekends. This gives you 24/7 access to crypto markets.
Hold up now, you're talking about 7 days a week? That's absolutely amazing. But
Yes.
I'm curious, how does it fit into a business owner's overall financial strategy?
Great question, Marvin. Crypto can be a part of a diverse investment strategy.
Okay.
Some business owners use it as inflation hedge.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Others, potential growth. The key is understanding it's speculative and should only be a portion of your overall portfolio,
Right,
Marvin.
right.
Fidelity makes it easy to include crypto alongside your traditional banking, so keep that in mind.
Now, Glo, I know many of our viewers have families and they're thinking about education savings. What about the 529 plans for college for kids?
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into that
Okay.
because the Fidelity 529 college savings plans are outstanding. Here's something new for 2024. You can now transfer up to $35,000 from a 529 plan to a Roth IRA. That is
Wow.
amazing
Right.
for the beneficiary, okay? This gives families incredible flexibility if the beneficiary doesn't need all the education savings. That right there could be really a cash flow changer.
Look, that's a super game changer. So if a kid gets a scholarship or chooses a different path,
Yes.
I'm not stuck with the unused education money, right?
Exactly. And Fidelity's 529 plan have no minimums, low fees, and multiple investment options. You can even set up automatic contributions from your business profits.
So what about retirement accounts? I know business owners need to
Mm-hmm.
plan for their own future too, and I think Fidelity can help them with that.
Fidelity offers traditional IRAs,
Okay.
Roth IRAs, and rollover IRAs with the same zero commission structure. You can even have crypto IRAs where a portion of your retirement fund can be in a cryptocurrency. This gives business owners incredible flexibility in retirement planning.
So now, Gloria, what we're saying is it gets really interesting here,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You mentioned about borrowing against stocks without selling them. So
Mm-hmm.
let's talk about how that works. Because you know we talk about credit cards a lot, but you saying you got an investment and you can borrow against it?
Yes, this is one of the most powerful strategies for business owners, Marvin. Through margin trading, you can borrow against your existing stock portfolio, which is huge. So, if you have $100,000 in stocks, you might be able to borrow up to $50,000 against that portfolio.
So I never have to sell my winning stocks to access cash.
Exactly, Marvin. You keep all of your appreciation potential, and you can use that borrowed money for business opportunities that may come your way, real estate, or even investments. The stocks serve as collateral, and you only pay interest on what you borrow.
What's the interest rate typically?
It varies based on the amount borrowed and the market conditions. So
Okay.
whatever's going on, that will play a big role. But it's often lower than a traditional business loan or credit lines. Plus, the interest might be tax deductible
Okay.
if the borrowed money is used for business purposes.
Okay, so this could be huge for business owners
Yes.
who want to scale without selling their investment portfolio. But Glo, what about risk management?
Smart question, Marvin.
Okay.
You need to maintain the required margin levels. That's
Okay.
very important. If your portfolio value drops significantly, keep
Right.
this in mind. You might get a margin call.
You don't
Okay?
want that.
You don't want that. That's why it's very crucial to borrow conservatively and have a solid plan for borrowed funds.
All right, so what about life insurance integration? I know you mentioned that earlier, so how does that work?
Fidelity offers life insurance products that can be a part of your overall financial strategy.
Okay.
That's what I love. Some business owners use life insurance for estate planning
Right.
or as a business succession tool. That
Okay.
could be, that could be really good.
Yeah.
When you combine this with their investment accounts, you can create a comprehensive financial ecosystem. So keep that in mind.
So Gloria, putting all this together, how would a business owner use Fidelity's ecosystem strategically?
Okay, this is where it becomes powerful, Marvin. Here's the strategy, okay? Use the Fidelity credit card for all business and personal expenses.
Nice.
You earning 2% cash back automatically invested into your accounts. That right there is good, Marvin.
Yeah, that's
okay.
dope.
So your business profits goes into your trading accounts, where you can invest in stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrency.
So I'm building wealth through my everyday spending and my business profits.
Exactly. And here's the advanced move. When you need capital for business opportunities,
Okay.
you don't want to sleep on them, okay? Instead of selling your investments, you can borrow against your portfolio. This keeps your money working and growing while giving you access to cash.
So what about business owners who want to hire employees or expand?
Perfect. You can use the margins, borrowings for the business expansion, real estate investments, or even equipment purchases.
Got
The investment might be tax deductible, and you're not liquidating your investment portfolio. That right there is a cash flow changer.
Yeah, so Gloria, this sounds like a complete financial ecosystem. But I have to ask, what about the learning curve? This seems kind of complex for most people.
Great question. But Fidelity has incredible educational resources, webinars, articles, videos, and one-on-one consultations. Plus, their customer service is top notch. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started.
So what about business owners who are just starting out and don't have a large portfolio yet?
That's the beautiful thing, Marvin. You can start small. Open the account with just $100. Use the credit card for everyday purchases and gradually build. Even with a small portfolio, you can eventually access margin trading and borrowing capabilities. That right there is a cash flow changer, Mark.
It sounds like it. So Gloria, let's make it practical.
Okay.
Can you walk through a real scenario right quick so our audience really understands what's going on?
Absolutely. Let's say a business owner is making $10,000 a month, for example, in revenue, okay? You put all business expenses on your Fidelity card, supplies, marketing, traveling, and you earn the 2% cash back. You're spending the money anyway. Marvin.
Yeah.
So why not use the card? That's $200 per month automatically invested. So why not make your money work for you?
So over a year, that's $2,400 in investments just from spending money every day.
Exactly. Plus, you take your business profits and invest them in your Fidelity account.
Okay.
After a few years, you might have $50,000 in your portfolio. Now you can borrow against it for the business expansion without selling your investment.
This can be transformational for most business owners. But
Yes.
Glo, what about the credit card approval? Do you need excellent credit?
Okay, Marvin, that's a great question. While better credit scores help with approval rates, many business owners with good credit can get approved. This card also reports to the credit bureau, so it can help you build your credit and your business credit profile.
So Gloria, what about the integration with Business Bank? How does this fit into existing business accounts?
Okay, Marvin, this is where you want to pay attention because this is where the strategy comes in.
Okay.
Okay, Money Magnets, you can keep your business checking account for daily operation, but you want to route your profits and major expenses through this system. It's about creating multiple income streams and building wealth systematically.
Glo, I love how this creates a complete financial ecosystem. But let's be realistic. What are the potential downsides or things to watch out for?
Okay, smart question, and I know you want to know this too, Money Magnets. The main thing to watch, margin trading involves risk, so don't overborrow. Crypto is volatile, okay? So only invest what you can afford to lose. And while the credit card has no annual fees, and y'all know how I feel about that, make sure you're paying the balance in full to avoid interest charges.
So Gloria, what about business owners who already have existing investment accounts elsewhere?
Okay, so what you can do is you can transfer existing accounts to Fidelity, often with no transfer fees. This consolidates everything into one powerful financial ecosystem.
Nice.
Plus, Fidelity platforms makes it easy to see your complete financial picture, Marvin.
Right, so Gloria, this has been incredible. I've learned a lot myself. Look, we've covered the 2% cashback card, trading accounts, crypto, 529 college plans, retirement accounts, borrowing against stocks, and life insurance. this is a complete cash flow changer for most business owners.
Absolutely, Marvin. The key is starting with one piece.
Yeah.
Maybe the credit card and a basic broker's account, and gradually building your financial ecosystem. Every business owner deserves access to this tool.
All right, guys, before we wrap up, I want to remind our viewers about something important. This information is educational, and you should always do your research and consider consulting with a financial professional before making any major financial decision.
Perfect point, Marvin. If you're a business owner ready to start building this type of financial ecosystem, we have something special for you.
That's right. If you want to dive deeper into how to implement these strategies specifically for your business, we offer a free business strategy call where we analyze your current situation and show you exactly how to raise capital and build business credit.
Okay, Money Magnets, you can book the call in the description below.
Right.
It's completely free, and we'll give you an action plan step by step, and you can implement it right away.
And look, if this video helped you understand how powerful Fidelity ecosystem can be, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week with strategies to help business owners build wealth and access capital.
Okay, Money Magnets, what you want to do is hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest video on business credit, capital raising, and wealth building strategies.
All right, Glo, thank you for breaking down this incredible financial ecosystem. To our viewers, remember, the best time to start building wealth was yesterday, not today. But the second best time is today. Take action on what you've learned here and leave it in the comments what you actually did.
Absolutely. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform.
And make sure you're always improving your credit score by building credit at all times.
But hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glo?
Okay, if you want to know how I got a $20,000 credit card from Navy Federal, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.